Hi there. I'm showing you how to clean a couch. Sweet, pretty easy. Now this one is quite grubby and it has smells in it. What happens with couches all the time? It starts to capture all the grease and smells of socks, body, sweat, etc. That one's been cleaned. This one hasn't. You notice the arms there, as well as the headrests. Now you can wash these covers, but I'm doing the whole couch. So what you're going to need is, I'm using ProChem Fabric Restorer. Now you just put, it's like 1 in 60 in water, mix it up, depends on how greasy the stains are, you may need to add some more. You'll need a pair of gloves, a soft brush to agitate, also a clean cloth. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly go through some of the steps I take to get this up. Okay, now you've seen that the couch is, you've got to put all the pillows to one side, and just so you can see the bare couch there. And the next step is going to be getting some spray. I'll show you what's in this actually, just in case you guys are thinking about getting some. It's a good stuff. Alright, if you want to pause this video, you may leave it like that. Okay, right. So we start off with a simple spray. Just spray the fabric all around. Pay particular attention to the arms and also the headrests. Now you may want to pull the couch out. Okay. Now, the reason I'm using hand spray, it's easy. And usually one full of those is like full, so we're looking at that. Garden spray, it doesn't matter what it is as long as it's clean. And that'll do 2 couches. As soon as that's done, we then take a soft brush, nail brush, something soft, and just start agitating the ply, agitating the material. What this does is it loosens up any dirt or stains. This is particularly good after a party, and I mean this is Christmas time, so you might have families around spilling drinks, greasy foods, a drink, anything like that. So what we do now is we start and go around the whole couch, particular attention to the back. Okay. Next we'll take our carpet cleaner. This one is a Puzzy 100. In the mix there you've got just standard carpet cleaning solution. I recommend Karcher cleaning powder. Okay, that's all we've got in there. To start the machine we're using what's called as a hand crevice tool or a stair tool or an upholstery tool. That's connected via that. I've got an extension on there, I find it handy. The extension for this machine is, I think it's 60-70 pounds. So, put both machines on, start applying the water in, and you just glide it along. Right. And as I said before, pay particular attention to the arms. Alright. I just go over everything, spray it all like that. Don't worry about if it's overspilled. Now, a typical couch like this, after you've done this, would take an afternoon to dry. With the heating on, if it's a warm day, it might be a bit quicker. Obviously, being inside. Okay, now so we've done that one. Next thing, we get the cushions and we just spray. Right, and it's exactly the same. We do both sides. Use the same method as we did to actually clean the couch. Just lightly agitate using the soft nail brush or soft brush or cloth, whichever. This will also take any stains out. flipping it over, doing exactly the same, and you'll see on this side, this is where people have sat on, laying on. This is particularly good for if you've got pets, because this removes anything that's in there. It'll also kills any bugs that's in there, fleas, you name it. Right, so we'll do that. Okay, then we just simply exactly the same before. Run the machine. And we'll run it all the way across all this, doing exactly the same. Right. While I'm with that, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so now the couch is clean. Just let it dry like that. Alright. But you'll noticeably see the difference in the couch. It smells nice, it's got rid of all those odours, and that's what you want. Let's see what dirt's come out. So that's what was in your couch. Not good. So that's it, guys. I hope this has helped you out. Quick tip, if you've got any spare solution, why not freshen it up in exactly the same way with your loose cushions, and then leaving everything smell fresh and clean. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.